Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking it easy because I'm sick and figured this would be a good time to do this. We're going to change this garden spigot. What I've done here to get prepared for this is I've measured something that I can easily trace inside. So the center of the window to the spigot is 39 inches, so we're going to go measure that inside. We're going to cut a hole because there's a drywall ceiling, and yeah, we'll get to replacing that. This shouldn't take long. It's 10:30 now, and I don't know, maybe an hour. Should be pretty good. Let's do that. Okay, we're inside. This is the window that we saw outside, and we're going to measure off of this to find 39 inches. Right here. We're just kind of guessing. We're not 100% sure if it's here. We're hoping it is. So we'll just make a mark there, and then I got a fancy little level. I think we'll mark 3 inches off the wall. We'll cut a hole just big enough because we need to put an access panel here now anyway. The biggest access panel you can buy at Home Depot is, well, I think they make one that's 16 by 16, but we'll use like an 8 by 8. So we'll cut this hole at 8 inches, I think, because we can always get a slightly bigger access panel if we want. So this is up center. Enough. And it's 34, 42. Okay, mark it, cut a nice square hole because that matters to me. We got all the rest is fine. Great. Okay, get your drywall knife, saw, poke a hole, cut. So we're cutting a big enough hole to be able to work in here as well, because we need to cut some copper. We'll have to turn the water off for that. I'll show you guys that too. So we're hitting the furring channel, or the stud, or joist, whatever you want to call it. So we'll just follow along that, because that'll provide us a nice straight line. That's our copper pipe. That's our that's where the spigot goes out. So let's move this insulation and get a better view of that, and start messing around with it. Oh God! Oh, I'm so sorry. Hey, is that good enough? Oh, that's high up. Okay. Oh, that's not too bad. Alright, well, I'm gonna get a tiny little ladder, most likely a bucket, and get a better view of that. So this house, the main is over here, right down here. we're gonna turn this off. A lot of condensation. That's off. I think this is kind of spinning, so let's turn on some water and make sure. All right, well, let's go get our tools and make a cut. Get a little wet, probably. Got our new one here. Just compare lengths because size matters. I think we cut it, like, ironically, just right. So only one way to know. Let's try it. See this hole? We gotta ream this hole out of it. This hole right here. I don't think that's long enough. This should help. We're in. Is it in yet? Oh, I think that was it. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's good. Well, let's turn on the water and see how it is. I'll wait for the system to pressurize, and then we'll keep an eye on this for a minute, and then we'll go outside and test it out and then secure it into the wall, and that should be good. that's it. That's done. And it is 11:30. And I had to mess around a little bit because this was there was another shut off somewhere in the ceiling. And it took me a little bit to find, but we found it, and now we're on. All good.